Hey guys, TJ here. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at a 30,000 gaming build. It's a RYZEN based build. It doesn't have a discrete GPU, so I hope you like this one. So let's get started. Coming to the processor we'll be using is the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. It's an APU, so it has the CPU and the graphic card built in. The graphic card here is a Vega 11 GPU. It's good for 720p gaming. You can play games like GTA 5 at low 720p settings, and other games like Overwatch, Fortnite, you can play them at 720p high settings or medium settings at good frame rates. And as a processor, it's good processor for overall daily use. The motherboard we'll be selecting is GIGABYTE GA320MH. It's a micro ATX motherboard. It has two RAM slots, can take up to 32 GB of DDR4 storage. Also it has an M.2 slot, so it can take your SSD in M.2 format, as well as a graphic card slot in future if you want to upgrade. And other than that, it has 6 USB ports, and in that 4 are high speed, and it also has a DVI port and HDMI for output. So it's a good black color motherboard, and the price is good for all the features. Coming to RAM, we'll be using Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB sticks. 2 of the sticks for a total of 16 GB. You can also use 8 GB of storage, and the budget will be around 27,000. But I suggest, since it's an APU, if you have more RAM, the processor and the GPU on the processor will benefit from more RAM. It's a great RAM, black color RAM, and it's also low profile RAM, so it doesn't obstruct any airflow. Coming to storage, we'll be using this SSD, which is ADATA 240GB SSD. It's a SATA type SSD, so read and write speed will be around 500 megabits. It's a pretty basic SSD. It will be faster than your typical hard disk, and I suggest this over getting a hard disk. If you have the budget, you have another 3,500, then you can, along with this, add 1 TB hard disk from Western Digital or Seagate. Coming to power supply, we'll be using a 450 watt power supply, which will be more than enough for this build. It's from Antec, and it's a basic power supply. It has again, this is in black color, and since you can see, we are going for a black theme here. Coming to the case, we'll be using AEROCOOL Bold RGB. You can choose any case you want. This case has RGB and it's good for the budget. Also it has shroud to cover your cables and give a neat cable management. Also a fan is included. It's a black case, and it will match all our parts, which mostly in black in color: black RAM, black motherboard. And you can go with any other case, a smaller case maybe, which has support for micro ATX motherboards. Our motherboard is a micro ATX motherboard, so you can go for a compact case as well, and case is personal choice. These are all the parts used in this build. To make this build better, I suggest either you could extend your budget by another 3,000-4,000 and get a 1 TB hard disk, so you can store your games in the hard disk and keep your operating system in the SSD. So yeah, for 30,000, this is the best gaming PC you can buy right now for July 2020. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.